Hey friends, today is March 4th. Yeah, I packed my stuff. It's 12. Kind of late, but yeah, I feel like not going nowhere at all. I kind of like this hotel hub. Yeah, look at the view. Not a lot, but still you can see the mountain there. Kind of cool. Yeah. It's not hot. It's kind of okay. But not damp. I'm kind of surprised. Yeah, so the sleep was nice. I think this is the best place I stayed in this whole 24 trip. Clean, looks like newly built. Has tea, I did some tea. The shower was great, had hot water. Yeah, look at everything you need. Like, just, I don't know why, but they didn't put a mosquito net, so bugs are coming in. That's kind of like, you did such a great job and you missed like that. That's weird. And also the AC, it goes silent and something that goes like super loud. That's kind of weird. But besides that, it's like a great place. Like if you're two people, it's like only 10 euros, so good value. Yeah, a little bit of India. Yesterday this place was packed. So idli set 3 pieces, masala dosa, and 1 milk tea, 1,000, so that's 3 euro. Kind of like India, but I think a little bit more. Yeah, so the dosa is very good, like I'm amazed. Yeah, the idli is also very good. Yeah, so this is the lake I showed you yesterday. See the ground, the lake? That's so weird. Hey bro. I got that bro thing from India. Everybody was calling me bro. I think there's possibility to get on the train to Ella. Just it's gonna be like standing. You need a stand. So now I just need to get a bus. Yeah. Clock Tower bus terminal. Wonder which one is the bus. Oh, that was it. Found it. 500. So that's very good. Some durian. I'm in Dambulla. Their driving is kind of hectic. There was almost 2 collisions, but I don't know, I guess they're used to it, so maybe it's just the way that I saw it from the side, Yeah, so I'm looking for a scooter now. Maybe I'll get luck. Yeah, some places remind me of Indonesia. I wonder why. like the people, the manners. And I need to check their, you know, ethnicity. Yeah, so the ride was very short. I was like expecting it to be like more, but it was like quite fast. I don't know, I didn't see a lot of people on bikes, like on scooters, but probably it's very possible to do all of Sri Lanka by scooter. And I like that they have supermarkets everywhere around, and it's pretty clean, like so far. Coming back from India, the difference is noticeable. So I'm just walking around looking for a place to eat. I just found like a couple. Yeah, I don't want to go back, but looks like no more to see here. Like, yeah, it looks empty. Probably a whale. I also came to this place, got chicken kotu, and I don't know what's that. Okay, that's quite close to the bus stand. It's called the Light. So going back where I showed you the paintings, there should be a bus. It's only for like 10 minutes. Tuk-tuk is 900, so that's like €3. €1 is 325 rupees, and a bus should be, I don't know, like probably 50 rupees, maybe less. Maybe I'll find durian. That would be nice somewhere on the way. So I don't know, Rambula looks like just a town. Probably all the good stuff is further. I need to go further. So in Rambula I didn't find a scooter, but they said in Sigiriya there is a scooter. Well, it's like 2,000, so I was hoping like 1,000 would be okay price. But they're like selling paint and also doing techno. So I'm basically just waiting on the road, looking for a bus in the language I don't know. Yeah, this girl is gonna help me out. Well, that was pretty cool, like just jump and go. I need to find my accommodation somewhere here, but probably you could get a bus to cross the whole Sri Lanka, you know, just public buses. It's probably definitely doable. So this is me, Greenhouse Resort. It's like €11 per night. Yeah. It looks kind of different. Students are all dressed in white. That's kind of cool, I suppose. Hey, little doggy. Hey, so this is my room. It has AC. And I don't know what's with the funky lights, but yeah, it could be more light. But it looks pretty proper for €11. Like, the shower is like huge. Whoa. super huge. Gosh, yeah. That thing didn't pop in my eye. Crazy. Yeah, they have a menu. You can order food here. So yeah, the bed is decent. Yeah, if you're 2 people, you're like paying €5. And the place looks like a jungle, man. Look at it. Jungle house. Yeah, this is nice. Huh. Yeah, very nice. Like Ubud. No? Yeah, it would be cool like to get a room down there, like in the top floor. The ones downstairs are, and they're good. So there's some kind of mango tree for food, but I just ate, so I'm not hungry. Yeah, the scooter is 2,000. So they gave me the scooter for 1 hour. Yeah, for 50, for 500, saying 50. What the hell is that? Why is so spiky? Huh. Yeah, the scooter's seen some stuff. I've never seen a scooter before this. This much scratched. So I took the bike, one of the worst bikes I ever had, but it was a job. So it's kind of late. I'm at this cave temple. Yeah, I kind of missed it, but there's still light. Oh shit, I did it. Still have some view. That's cool. That was easy. Wonder how my shoes arrived. Man, like the view is cool, but workout, man, that's a whole different story. Yeah, I love like hiking. This dude said the sun said it's over. Man, shut the fuck up. I'm not here for the sunset. Somebody got pissed that I was rushing. Probably never maintained it. So I'm somewhere here in the jungle. I don't know, there's some kind of mango tree restaurant, but it's very remote, and I see fireflies. I've never seen them before. That looks so cool. Probably don't see it on the camera, but you can see the stars. Whoa, it's so beautiful. Huh. My god. Oh my god, cop. Yeah, I'm just walking here. I don't know, this GoPro sucks at night. My Sony's EV1 is much better. You can at least see something. I don't know why the sensor is so lame. By the way, yeah, that place was like kind of closed, kind of not. I don't know. It just was like not working. So I'm going somewhere else. So this girl said, like, yeah, you should be careful of elephants. I don't think there's elephants here, but yeah, probably they're just overreacting. Just came here, like, not much to eat, like fried rice, some kind of spaghetti and stuff. I don't know, looks lame. Rice, curry, seafood. I'm kind of disappointed. I'm gonna check out this place. Yeah, I just came back home. I love this place. It's very cool, like for €11. Look at it. Awesome. Yeah, I have a bucket. Gonna do my laundry. Yeah, that hike was cool, man. Yeah, good value for money. So this dude told me he's doing tours. And the tour for 21 days, everything included, cost €5,000. That's crazy, €5,000. Yeah, very expensive. So yeah, I don't know. I'm probably not gonna film anymore today. So I'm ending this day, February 4th. See you tomorrow.